to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to be doing a nice ground beef and potato recipe. So for this we'll get some hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to be doing a Today I'm going to be doing a ground beef and potato recipe. So for this I've got some ground beef, obviously. Also I'm going to cook this without any oil in it because it's got enough fat in it anyway, which I'll be draining out. So we let this start cooking through. And we'll be back in a minute. See what I mean about the oil. So we'll be draining this anyway. So while that's cooking away, just chop up an onion. Couple of carrots. And then we got rid of all that fat. And we go with our onions. Some very lazy chopped garlic. In with our carrots and tomatoes. And we've got some green beans. A little bit of smoked paprika, about a teaspoon, some thyme, a teaspoon again, a little bit of parsley, and a little bit of ground cinnamon. So to this about 3/4 pint of stock in there. We'll let that cook through some more. Then we're going to add some little bit of flour to thicken it right up. So we'll see you soon. Nice little bit of flour in there, just plain flour. Some pepper. A little bit of salt. thicken up lovely now. So I'm going to get a nice glass dish out. This is going to go in it. Then I'm going to get some potatoes, slice them up, and we're going to layer it. So, see you soon. And what I'm going to do is layer these up. So what we do, we'll get it into an oven around about 180 for about 25 minutes, but keep an eye on it because you don't really want this to burn, because we're going to take it back out, put a layer of cheddar cheese on top, and then put it back in the oven. So we'll see you soon. I'm going to get a nice bit of cheddar. So we'll put this back in the oven, let all the cheese melt so it's all lovely and golden, and then we'll bring it back out when it's done. Cheers! Okay, so there we go. We've got our ground beef and potato pie, and obviously ground beef, onions, got green beans, carrots, tomatoes, bit of paprika, thyme, parsley and garlic. I used chicken stock, but you can use, oh no, I didn't use chicken stock. I used beef stock with flour and then potatoes on top and coated with cheese. So this is going to be really tasty, and it's really hot. So we'll have this a little bit later, and I'll show you a plate when it's all said and done. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.